Have you ever made a purchase and instantly received an email saying, "Thank you for your purchase. Here's some other offers. Here's the link to my website." And you thinking to yourself, how in the world did they send that email that fast and I just made the purchase? That is called an email automation. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to set it up. So for all of my business, for my products, for my email list, for my services, for everything that I offer in my business, I use an app called Kajabi. It is amazing. It's an all-in-one app, and you can basically run your entire business with Kajabi. If you are interested in trying out Kajabi, just click the link in the description and I am gifting you a free trial. So let's get started with the video. Right now, I am on the offers page. And right here, I am telling Kajabi when an offer is purchased, but you also have to tell Kajabi which offer. So I'm telling them the name of the offer. So when this offer is purchased, then what do you want them to do? Kajabi gives you a long list of automations that you can do, but I want to send an email immediately after the offer is purchased. And it's also asking, who do you want to send an email to? Do you want to send an email to the person that purchased the offer, or do you want to send an email to your team? I would like to send an email to the person that purchased it. This is the subject line that will appear in their inbox. Now remember, this exact same email is what is getting emailed out to everybody that makes this purchase. So this is your template. You don't want to just customize it to one person. You want to customize it where anybody can read it. So we really don't want to say he, she. We don't want to use words like that because anyone could be making this purchase, and you want to be able to relate to all of your customers. Right here is the heading. Now, keep in mind, Kajabi does give you a little template, but I want to personalize it, so I just delete the template that Kajabi gave me, and I add in my own. Right here, you have parenthesis, parenthesis, first name, parenthesis, parenthesis. That is just a code where it tells Kajabi automatically apply the person's first name here. So whoever signed up for the offer, whatever first name they put right there, add it in here. So you can either take that out or you can leave it as is. I left it as is, but if you want to change it, you can change it to first name and last name. You can change it to last name. You can delete it. You can customize it however you like. I wrote in the body of my email. And lastly, please, so many people right here miss this step, and I'm like, it's just a quick little step. Have you ever gotten an email and you clicked on the links inside of the email and it didn't work? And then 3 minutes later, you received another email and the subject line was, "Oops, sorry, we messed up," or "Oops, sorry, our links doesn't work." That's because the person that sent out the email did not preview their email. So it is very important, you all. I don't care if you're sending out weekly emails, offer emails, whatever type of emails that you are sending out, please click on preview in browser. Once you click on, or you can send a test email to yourself, either or. But once you preview it in browser, all of your entire email is going to come up along with the links. Click on those links, people. Make sure each and every link works inside of your email before you push save and before you push send. I'm going to save it. And now it is saved in the Kajabi system. So now my automation is set up and it is telling Kajabi when this offer is purchased, then send out this email. And that's it. That is how you create email automations for your offers. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comment section down below.